In this video, we are going to introduce one example how to collect online news. For example, your topic is to do the archival research of COVID-19 impact on hotel industry, and you would like to collect the online news from Travel Daily News. Now we are going to open the website. After we open new website, we should define the keywords with what we are going to search. So in this case, we will search COVID-19. After searching, we got 2,519 items. So now we are going to limit it to hospitality industry. So we choose hospitality, hotel. Then we got 412 news related with hotel industry, but it's also a big amount. Now we are going to limit it the time period in this case. So we choose from the beginning of last year until middle of last year. So finally we have 170 news for this topic. But in this case, in this video, we are not going to collect all of them, and we only collect part of them. So the result shows there are 6 pages, and in each pages we have different news like this one. We open the titles, and then we can read the content of this news. So the content is here. The content is our target to collect in this video. Now we go back to the slides. In this case, I will teach you how to use Octopus to collect those online news. Octopus is a free crawler software to emulate human operations to grab the content. So we open the website, and it's free software, but if you want to use the advanced services, you need to buy the package. So, and you can download it from here, and they offer Windows and also Apple system. So I chose Windows, and the new version is 8.1. After you downloading and installing the software, you need to create an account in order to use it. The performance of the software depends on your computer's performance and also the speed of your internet. After you opening the software, you can see the interface and also some tablets of different social media platforms. If you want to use those tablets, you need to update your account. But in our case, we need to create the program by ourselves. So we open the dashboard, and we choose advanced model, and we put the link of the website in the website form. If you are going to collect the news from different websites, you can pass several websites in this form. Now we open the web page. As I told you, the software is to imitate human operations to grab the content. So in our case, we need to set our workflow or program to imitate our operations to collect the online news. After you opening the web page, the software will automatically detect the content or the elements of the web page, such as the title of the news, the links, and also the publishing date. But this automatic detection function is not useful for us, so we are going to close it and to set our workflow or detection. After we close the function, we can see our workflow chart, and the first step is opening the web page. In this step, we need to check whether the web page result is the same as we searched before. So you can see here we have 170 news, and we have six pages results, and we need to collect the online news of each 6 pages. So the second step is to create a pagination loop. The pagination loop will automatically open the next page until end of the last page. After we creating the pagination loop, and the third step is to collect the online news of each page. As we all know, in each page there are several online news. In order to collect the online news content, we need to open each news. We need to click the titles of the news to enter the detail pages. So the third step is log click each detail pages. When we click the title of one online news, the software will automatically detect the rest title of online news. We select all online news of this page, and we create the log click of each single page. After we entering the detail page, we need to decide what content we are going to collect. For example, we can collect the title, we can collect the authors of the news, we can collect the publishing date and the time, and how many readers have read this news. Of course, we need to collect the main content of this news. After we decided what content we are going to collect, now we can give the title of each content. Now we click collecting all the content. Then we go to check our workflow. As I told you, this software is to imitate human operations to grab the content. So in this case, this workflow should like our operations to collect the online news. The first step should be opening the web page, and then we collect the first page online news. After we collecting the content of the first page news, then we go to the second page. So in this flowchart, we need to change the layout. After we finishing the design of the workflow or program, we can save it and run the program. Because we are not the upgraded account, we should run the collection from our local computer. So the performance of the collecting depends on your computer's performance and also the internet speed. I will speed up the collecting process because it will take a long time, depends on your uh, volume of the content. After a few minutes collecting, I will stop here, and we have got 67 online news. Now we can save the data in our computer. We can save as an Excel document or other documents.
Now we're opening the collecting data. After you opening the collect data, you should check the format of the data is correct. And you also need to check is there empty box or is there same data. If you find the empty box or the same data, you should delete them because those are not useful for our data analysis. For example, here there is the same data. You can mark it and then you can delete them. So this is the introduction of using Octopus software to collect online news. Using this software, you can also collect blog data and travel review or other textual data. You can also use this software to collect photos. If you have any other questions, you can email me. So I will stop here.